Hey, you don't freaking know how much it took for me to get this box. And I'm so happy I got it. This one would have a special rarity in it. It has an ultra rare. I'm so happy that I finally got this one to open. First, I ordered a wrong one, because a lot of them are pink. So I rushed my decision and I ordered the wrong one, because I'm an idiot. Well, it took 2 weeks to get to me. Then I ordered it again, but I believe they sent the wrong one. And after the long wait, I finally got it. Like, it took almost 2 months to get it because of our ordering and things that got wrong. I hate it. But if you want to order from a reliable seller, even if things go wrong, he always makes up to it. You can see the links in my video description. That's the seller that I trust and buy from him often. So there you go. Let's start with the first pack. You got a store set, at least new for me. You probably already seen this opening from other YouTubers, but here I am, late as always. Don't know who you are, but you look nice. And also the shine, the triangle shine is hit or miss. This time it's a hit. I like it. Okay, that's Aqua. With very weird boobies and nipples. At the grocery store with some girl. What can I say about it? It's a little girl. I don't want to say anything about it. And we got an SR. Okay, cool. Nice shine. What do we get? An SCR? Not that special for me, at least. Let's move on to the second pack. Alright. She is looking kind of cute. More cute girls in here. Okay. Is this a freaking lolly cute pack? What the fuck? I mean, Dragon Maid, I love it, but what's happening? Oh my god. If the last card is also a lolly, I'm gonna lose my shit. What the fuck? Okay. First of all, it's an SSR, which is nice. Second of all, it's Genshin Impact, which is, according to the judgment of Oratrice Mécanique de l'Analyse Cardinal, is also very nice. But like, how did we got a freaking lolly pack? I don't understand. I never in my life I've gotten lolly pack, and now okay. Alright, Kitagawa Myrin, very good one to get. Also very cool art. This art is amazing, man. She's so cute. I can't wait for season 2. It's amazing. Oh, we get 2 CR back to back. That's kind of cool. Very nice clothing. Should we do the amazing clothing contest? Yeah, let's do that. The first 2 packs didn't count, so forget them. I'm gonna make here the pile of an interesting clothing. So there you go. That's the first contestant, and then at the end of the video I will look through them and nominate one as a winner. And you can see if you agree with me or not, and obviously let me know in the comments, because I'm curious to see. Okay. Wait. It looks kind of funny. I think I know which anime that is, but I forgot the name. Okay. So far, cool. Each pack contained some kind of hit, or SSR, or this one. Also, I don't know how many... That's kind of cool clothing also. I don't know how many hits are in this box. Old Tool 1 would have 6 SSR, and one of them could be PTR. The chances of that were very low. For example, for opening 5 2-1 boxes, I only got 1 PTR. Like, maybe I was unlucky, I don't know, but I don't think the chances are that high. This card is amazing. I have Fate vibes, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. Is this a Holy Grail? Maybe it's Fate. I don't know. Is there... Yeah, it's Fate. First double, which sucks, but it's gonna happen with R rarity, so second double, which also sucks. I don't mind the R doubles, to be fair. As long as I don't get the shiny ones, I'm cool with it. Who is that? I don't know, but there's... Is this a cat or a hamster? I don't know, man. Okay, first pack with only SR. So how you been, guys? I hope you're all good, all great, and ladies, of course. That ass, is it an ass? Doesn't count as an ass. It's too small for her, but okay. That became weird very quickly. Okay. 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 Ultra rare! What the fuck? My first 2-in-1 box, I got an ultra rare. But the real question, what's the difference between the SSR? I mean, ultra rare seems to have more shine to it, somehow. Finishings are almost the same, but I think it's just like more flavor to this card. I don't know who you are. No freaking idea. But thank you for giving me an ultra rare. Okay. PTR would be also very nice, but I don't know what's possible in this. Is this Evangelion? I think it is Evangelion. Veep Investments, you are the EVA expert. Is this EVA? I mean, I can check it myself. I can check it. I can't read this. So please help me. But I believe that was EVA. Alright. Genshin Impact? I think so. Very cool one. Hey, that's cute. Okay. Attack on Titan. That's long time ago. They had a few cards of Attack on Titan, but it was all the previous sets, like when the God story only started. Hey, another Kid Go Moiring, and this one is wet. Oh boy, that's cool. I forgot the name, obviously. I mean, if I remember names, then that's a miracle, guys. Alright. This looks like Fate. Is it a Fate? That's a Fate, man. I'm Fate expert, even though no, I'm not. Please don't don't quote me on that. Goddamn, I'm definitely not. Hey, that's cute, very cute, especially with the shine. I love it. And looks kind of familiar. Again, the nipple, man. What the fuck is happening with the nipple? Let's continue with a cute little girl. Yes, double booba. Yeah, okay. A double again. Okay, cute. A lot of cute girls. I don't know if I should be concerned. Hey, that's a nice one. She has a kind of cool design, man. That's all I can say about her. I didn't see the anime. Is it worth watching? Tell me in the comments, please. A lot of small girls, man. I don't like where this is going. I like where this is going. So yes, please do more of that. There is a Christmas card. Cool. And we have more wet girls. I see the like theme around this box. Wet girls and small girls. Which team are you? I'm definitely the team of wet girls. I think those two are already been in God Story. Like exact same cards. But from, yeah, maybe, I mean, they are from a different set as I can see, but I don't remember opening that set. So I mean, like they were in previous sets long ago, and now they're reusing them. Is this also Genshin Impact? I think they have a lot of Genshin Impact. Goddamn, man, that's whew, good clothing. Ooh, I like the colors. Very red. Hey, another Attack on Titan. Okay, we get 2 Mikases in one set. That's cool. That's interesting. Don't know who you are. Well. Wait, what? I can get also an SAR? Pardon me? Yes, I can. I haven't even seen it. So that's like above the SSR. Then you have PTR and then you have Ultra Rare. My goodness. That's awesome. I very love the design of SER. These boxes are so much better now. I freaking love it. Okay, we have cute girls again, cute girls doing cute things. Exact the same pattern, I believe. This one looks, whoa, the shine, man. I wanna lick it, but I'm not gonna to. Well, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. Genshin Impact. Okay. Oh, fuck yeah, that's an interesting one to get. Don't see it that often. Very sexy. I love it. Freaking amazing. Code Gias. What do we have here? Is this? No, that's not the nipple YouTube. That's the shine. It's just how the light works. Don't worry about it. Okay. Another from. What? I get 2. What the fuck? What are the oats? What are the oats in this box? How can what? Like in 1v1 you can get this one, but that's a special one, so you're not guaranteed to get it. Now I got 2 in this box. What is happening? I mean, I love it. Please keep up, man. I'm getting surprised here. Oh my god! Please don't stop. But what? Oh, so cute. I think I already have her. Hey, nice one. What? Spy Family. There you go. Took me a while. Kaguya-sama. Cool anime. Love it. Then we have a lot of doubles. Oh no, the first SR double. That sucks. It's a Mikasa though, so that's cool. What is happening? I get, oh my god, where are the SSR? Is this normal for this box? Please let me know in the comments if you opened one or saw the opening of it. Is this normal to get this much SAR cards? SAR? How the fuck do you pronounce it? Or does somebody now have a box with only SSR and I just got out, I just got all the good ones. There are 6 and I already got 3 of them. Oh, you know what would suck? A double of them, but... What the hell, man? The box keeps surprising me. Surprise me more. Please give me an error pack. How about that? It doesn't happen too often, if it even happens. So give me an error pack. If we got so far out of this, so why not? I mean, it might be normal, but I don't see it as normal, because that's quite a fair high rarity. I mean, not as high as PTR. So getting a PTR would be more amazing, but getting 3 this instead of SSR is also kind of impressive. Very cute. Love it. SSR. Let's go. Sailor Moon has a very special dress though. Awesome. So she's gonna compete. That was my ass, if you want to know what the sound... okay. Doubles. Okay. yeah! Not only I think this girl is underrated in Gundam Story, because she has 1 card, I believe, maybe 2. I'm very surprised in a good way. I'm glad she's here, but this art is so freaking sexy. My man. I'm gonna display it just because I'm just... Is this Asuna? The fuck is happening, man? Why you look like this? Is this Chainsaw Man? Man, I don't know shit about anime. Even though I watched, I don't know, 100 anime, maybe more. Probably more. Alright. New R, by the way, so that's cool. Have we seen this? I don't think we have. So that's also new R. That's R. What the fuck is happening? I'm so happy. But what the fuck? I have now 4 of them, which is freaking awesome. I also have something in my eye. I believe those are the tears of joy. Just do it. Just give me an PTR so that I can, like, shit my pants. Hey, that's a new one. Awesome. Oh, I like the colors. Cool. Alright, we have 5 packs left. I don't think PTR is possible, to be fair. But box can maybe surprise me more. Megumin, I love this one. Frick yeah, love it, thank you. Yes, more Kaguya, fuck yeah, man. I love it, thank you, so cute. I was like, which rarity is it? And that's this, I don't know who that is. Who are you? And what do we want from me? Okay, cool, wait. There are shards and there are faces in the shards. Cool. I would prefer nudes there, but you know, that's just me. What the fuck is happening? What? I'm so freaking like confused as to what? Is this normal? If I can get all 6 of them, that would be just so impressive. I don't think I can. I don't think that's possible because we have only 2 packs left. But like, what is happening? Also, again, the character I don't know. Like, bruh. All right. Ooh, oh my. This clothing. Holy shit. There's so much brain activity happening now. Also in my pants. Can this box surprise me even more? I don't think. I don't think so. There's probably 2 SR at the end of this. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. God damn, what a roller coaster of emotions. How do I get 5 of them? 5 of the 6? I got only 2 SSR. How is this possible? How many SSR are there? There are like 27 SSR and I got only 2. What did happen? First of all, thank you for watching. Now we're gonna look at what contestants I have. I mean, this one is, yes. Cool dress, classic one. Interesting, yes. We have this one and we have that one. I mean, there's very weird combination of things here, because some of them are just sexy and some of them are classy. So I need to make up my mind what I'm going for. I think going for sexy, like we've done it a few times with other things, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna eliminate this one. I'm very impressed with this dress, but I'm gonna eliminate. The lemon has a classy one, but it's not like mega practical, so I'm not impressed that much with it. Eliminate it. This one is kind of cool, but if you compare it to the other ones, I miss some character. I mean, I see enough of the character, if you know what I mean, but I miss character on the clothing, so nope. Choosing from those two, I think this one is the winner for me. This dress has some interesting details. The more you look at it, the more details you notice. This one doesn't have that. It's awesome, but it doesn't have that kind of level, like the details. How many times did I say details? Do you want to see it one more? Details. There you go, that's the winner. Now, before I end the video and you are going away, I'm gonna count all the hits that I got. So 9 of these, 2 SSR, 1 ultra rare, and 5 of SER. That would make 9 hits, which I believe was also the case in 1v1 box, which probably would mean that 9 hits that you get are random. Which probably would mean that me getting 5 SAR is freaking low chances. Also without the double. Impressive. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much. Especially the ones who support me. But if you don't, I still love you. Just a little bit less. Okay. I see you in the water. Whoops, problem.